Over the edge, feel like I'm floating.
Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Krishna. Today we are going to review SMM OWL panel services. They provide many services like buying YouTube subscribers, boosting YouTube channel SEO, Twitter followers, Instagram followers, etc. I don't recommend buying subscribers from any website, but I recommend their other services. So today we are going to boost our video views. I have already 500 plus views on that video and 400 plus subscribers on my YouTube channels. I am just going to review it for you. So first go to their website and register and log in your account. Website link in description. Then add some funds in your wallet through UPI. Let me add some funds. Click on three dot icon, then click on add funds, then click on UPI payment, then enter your amount, then your phone number, then take a screenshot of this and pay for it. After adding funds, they will automatically redirect to your website. You will receive 200 rupees in your wallet. Then go to new order and click on YouTube views. Click on I have to add 22 rupees more for 1k views, but let me decrease quantity and it's 202.347 and my balance is 202.63, so it's gonna work. So this is the video. I am going to boost my views. I have already crossed 500 plus views on this, so let me copy link. You have to paste this link here. You copy it from YouTube. Always check average time of completion, the order and description, speed, refill time, and engagements are real or not, non-drop, etc. Then submit this order. You will also get engagements from this, like likes, subscribe for this video and buy this service. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel.